So I'm going to take you a quick tour around the truck. Again, this is the 2002 Freightliner. It's got the Cummins Turbo Diesel engine. Inside it here, you have all your electrical components, all your turn-on switches. This is going to power up your generator from right here, along with all of your air conditioning outlets, compressors, load lights, exterior lights. Basically all that gets powered on from up here for the generator. You can also have this connected to a shoreline outlet and auto eject as well. And then this here works off the generator as well, and you can switch it from the engine 12 volt to the generator as well. It's got all the scene lights controls here, your voltage meter for your batteries, your these are your two main power switches that control all the power. So you could turn both these off and you won't have any power drawing from any of the batteries. Radio, there's a little TV here. All your controls here. You do have emergency lights on this vehicle, so that's going to turn on all your emergency lights. We could put that on real quick for you. So if we put it on 3, you'll be able to see all the emergency lights. Now a lot of these lights are strobes, so it's very hard to see the strobe lights in the video because of them being emergency strobe lights. They flash really fast, and the camera doesn't really pick it up all that well. So these are your emergency controls. I'm just going to turn that off. Start the truck up. So there's a trick to this truck to getting it started. It's got a little safety feature so that somebody doesn't steal it. So we have the truck running. Right now we have it in park. It's got air brakes, so that air brake is on right now with the park. And if we pull it into, let's put it into gear. So we put it into gear and we release this parking lever. Now it's off of park. Again, this truck has 19,649 miles on it. All your AC controls for the front are right here. You have Velvac mirror, power mirrors controls. Again, those are your emergency lights. Lights for your put it back into park. And then if I take you out here to the back of the truck, it's got office desks throughout, and then cabinets above all these offices. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 workstations with desks, and all of those workstations have cabinets above them. See these cabinets, they have a little lever that you pull on here and they open up. If I take you to the middle section of this unit, it has a side entry door with a little mini kitchen here, microwave, refrigerator, sink. And then on the opposite side here, there's like a pantry where you could store kitchen items. And then there's more. Then there's a sliding door here. This sliding door, it's on a button. So if you unhook this button and then this door slides closed. So you could section off the kitchen area. And and then to secure it, just push that in there. Going past the kitchen in the third section of the unit, we have a table with a couch that goes around it, and then there's additional storage space, and then another entry doorway coming in from the passenger side into this rear compartment area. There's some whiteboard, there's cabinets above the couch. There's also 3 AC units in the roof, so the last room has an AC unit in the roof. The kitchen has an AC unit in the roof, as well as there's also an AC unit in the front area compartment for the office space. It's got 2 seats, both driver and passenger seats up in the front. It's got slide out cabinet drawers in here, filing cabinets on the bottom half. They all lock so that they don't unfold and open up on you when you're driving. There's a little slide out tray where you can put your printer. So this tray slides out, perfect slide out tray for a printer. There's another cabinet here. Now these chairs, you can bungee cord these chairs so that they don't fly around when you're driving. Coffee maker, same thing with this door. It's got a little button here, door slides closed. Looks like they had some VHF communication center in here that's been removed. All the radio equipment that they had back here has already been removed. All the outlets work. This looks like a whiteboard here as well. This unit also has some sort of a surveillance camera system, I guess a security system, but I'm not sure if that is connected anymore. So it does have a security system installed inside. Again, there's some more controls for your, looks like a recording unit almost. I'm guessing all these are for the antennas that are on the unit, which I'm not going to touch because I'm not really sure what they do. Again, there's more radios that were disconnected in this area, and this is your front driver's seat area. Quick tour around the unit. We go out the side door. So that's the door going into the kitchen. This is the door that leads into the little table with the couch. There is a ladder to climb on top of the roof here. So if we go up this ladder here, that's going to get you onto the roof. You can see the AC units on the roof. There's additional storage in here. This is where the generator is. It's a Kohler generator. There's a switch for this light here. So the switch turns this light off. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Let me take a quick peek underneath the truck.